Hello there and welcome to video number 2. This one is on subtracting and we have to use the column method here of subtraction. Again, I've written some keywords that you need to pay attention to and understand, and another method for you to follow. So in question 1, 2 and 3 we've got slightly different things to do but very much the same skill. The first question asks us to calculate 234 take away 39. So I'm going to write down the first number. It's important that we write the first number this time. When we add, doesn't matter what order we add in, but when we take away or subtract, it does. So we're going to do 234 and we're going to take away 39. Now I've lined it up where I've lined it up because of the value of the numbers. And this 9 is worth 9 units. This is 4 units. This is 3 tens and 3 tens, so 30, and this is 2 hundreds, and there is no hundreds on this number, so we can put 0 there if we want to. Now this is where we have to employ a little bit of borrowing. So I've done the first 2 steps. I've written one number underneath the other one, and I've got to start from the right and subtract the columns and borrow from the next column if I need to. So I'm going to borrow from this column. I'm going to take that 2 out of the equation here, and I'm going to put sorry, that's a 3, isn't it? And I'm going to put that 2 there, and then I'm going to carry a 1 over here and borrow it onto this column. Now I can do 14 take away 9. Otherwise, we would have had a negative number here, and we don't want negative numbers here. That's crazy. So 14 take away 9 is, well, what's the difference between 14 and 9? Well, you've got 5. Okay. And then we go 2, and then we take away the 3. And again, we can't do that because otherwise we get a negative number. We go into the negatives, we go below 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to nick 1 from there or borrow it from there. That becomes a 1. Then we get 12 take away 3. And 12 take away 3 is 9. Again, think of the difference between the 2 numbers. 9 is the difference there. And then 1 take away nothing. We've taken away nothing from 1. You've still got 1 left. So 195 is the answer to the first question. Now, I've already mentioned the word difference a couple of times, so work out the difference between 152 and 73. So when we do that, basically what we have to do is a take away calculation, a subtraction. And we're going to put the first number there, the big one there, 152, and we're going to then take away the 73. Okay, if we take the small one away from the big one, we've found the difference. Okay, and let's just draw the lines in for the answer space. 2 take away 3, again we can't do that, so we're going to nick 1 from there. That becomes a 4, and that becomes then a 12. 12 take away 3 is 9. 4 take away 7 we can't do, so we're going to nick that 1 from there. That becomes nothing. Remember there's a 0 there as well. 14 take away 7 is 7, and then 0 take away 0 is 0. So we get the answer of 79. I'm just going to put a little answer space down here actually. So 195 is my answer space. You normally have an answer space. I'll do that for the rest of the videos that I make. Probably should have done it for the first 2, never mind. And then the third question. So we come to a worded one. It's about these magic beans again. Andy and Benji with their magic beans. Andy has got 987 of those magic beans, and Benji takes 435 magic beans away from him. And there should be a space in there, but never mind. I'm not going to go back and make the video again. So how many magic beans does Andy have left? Again, let's find out, because he's taken them away. We're doing a subtraction, and 987 is the starting number, and we're going to take away 435 that Benji nicks from him. Maybe he asked for them nicely, who knows. So 7 take away 5 we can do this time. 7 take away 5 is 2. 8 take away 3 we can do, which is 5, and then 9 take away 4, which is also 5. So Andy has 552 magic beans left. That's it. So I've gone through what each of those keywords means, followed the method for each question, and again it's pretty much the same thing. Practice using the description or the links in the description below, and also there will be some answers there for you as well. And basically I'm keeping it simple. It's only 3 questions for each skill. Okay, so yeah, just enjoy those resources and get better at maths. Thanks for watching this one, and make sure you watch the next one. Like and subscribe and all that business. Thank you so much.